Palaidi play, yeah? Alright guys, hello everybody. Today we are on the Baltics, the car show which one is Auto 2024. And we're presenting not just the car, but actually we're presenting a floor. Look on this floor. Yes, do you like that floor? This is a very, very good quality floor, as you can see. You can damage with the oils and with, I would say you, just come in, come with us and you will see. So I let that guy in. Alright. So what you can do, we can definitely provide you any design you want. So any of style. Look, this is the big one. The price is all on, can be done on the WhatsApp. Just send on some WhatsApp and we can organize. It depends how big your floor is, how big your floor mat is, or how style you are. Like, yes, there's a plenty of style, but you can definitely phone us up on the WhatsApp. You just write whatever you like. You just call up and you will get the best price for the NS. Yes, come and have a look. Do you see that cat? So that cat can be done like Audi. It can be done BMW and any car probably you would like. We can definitely organize any logo of that car, which one you like. This time we have a Hellcat, so the Hellcat logo is on the floor. Yeah. So come and closer look. The design, you can put any you want. You want black, you get black. You want red, you get red. So actually, yeah, any you like, we can do. It's oil protective, so damage. If you have normal tiles, look on the floor. You see the floor? The floor normally is like that. Yes, you have some places where you cannot actually see something or whatever, but definitely you can, you know, just put little bit concrete and you get a level floor. So the ending as well is all the way around. You can see in here. So I don't know, any questions you like. Basically any color, any style. We can design for you as well. For example, if you have 300 square meters, or if you have 10 square meters, your private garage, your workshop, you can make it very stylish. So in this case, as you can see, we've done the two colors because we have a red one on the black. So black is very good with the black. And yeah, what else I must tell you? So, Oscar, what do you think? It's a good floor?
Yes.
Yes, it's good, definitely good. What do you think? If we drop the hammer, it's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. So it's not the tile. You see, it's flexible. Look.
Yes.
Look, Oscar have muscles, so he just, you know, he can probably broke, but it's not broken. We will do more videos about that stuff. Anastasia probably help us. I must see the Zigmar. Tell Zigmar some words. What you think about that floor?
This floor is very great. You know, I can see when you drive car on it, it doesn't leave protector on the floor. So it stays as it was at the start. It's not losing its shape.
Oh, you have very good SRT. Zigmar, so where you can order that stuff?
Modrix Chip Tuning is the place where you can order this stuff. This is very good quality.
And what is red key is?
Red key from the Hellcat.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, Zigmar. And what is the main goal? Just stay tuned.
Stay tuned and follow for updates.
And follow for more. Yes. Thank you very much, guys. So see you in the new orders for our floor. Yeah. SRT.